All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin to staking the coin to using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff. 1% back every single day with Drip Network on your initial investment, 365%. Today we're going to be talking about crypto.com, CRO. Well, what's going on with this crypto right this second? It's at a discount buy level, so we're going to check that out. But there's been all kinds of people that downloaded the app after the Super Bowl, so we're going to kind of cover that. A huge amount of percentage of more people on the Super Bowl, on the actual app after the Super Bowl. So we're going to check out their website, go to their Twitter, check out how many people downloaded it, and do a whole nice deep dive into crypto.com CRO. Also, we're going to talk about the Denver Broncos basically being bought possibly by a cryptocurrency group. What's going on there? I mean, we know that the Lakers are now playing in crypto.com over there in Los Angeles. We know that. We know Miami Heat are playing in FTX. And now the Denver Broncos football team possibly being bought by a cryptocurrency group. All right, so all kinds of things going on in this episode today. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even buy some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to crypto.com. All right, holy smokes, crypto.com is number 19, and it's down 22%. Ding, 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 discount buy. But look at all the friends around it. Everything else is Litecoin's down 20%. Cosmos is down 17%. Chainlink's down 18%. Polygon. All right, so it's not a crypto.com thing. It appears to be everything. 10% for the last 24 hours. Clicking it. Trading at 37 cents right this second, crypto.com. Here's our last 24 hours. It's been going down, down, down. In the last 7 days, it's down 20%. Now, this is for sure 20% is a ding, ding, ding discount buy. Checking the holders. There's a lot of stuff going on with holders. I know that. Let's click the 3 months. And 3 months ago, there was 145,000 holders. Today, there's 218,000. So that's 55, 75, about 70,000. Oh, 50% more. So we got 50% more people holding a CRO. Well, guess what? Things will catch itself up. What do I mean by that? Well, take a look at this. Crypto app downloads spiked 280% following the Super Bowl. So crypto apps, okay. Crypto.com. Companies seem to be reaping the benefits from their Super Bowl advertisements in many ways. The crypto space and one ad stood among all others. Crypto exchange Coinbase viral. So basically, after the Super Bowl ads, everybody's got all more of these downloads going on. The Super Bowl Sunday Coinbase download was over by 309% over the week before that. And again, take a look at Coinbase right here, up 309%, which is a crypto app. All right, crypto.com over here, talking about crypto.com. So over here, we have the LeBron James commercial. Now, I can't play it because it's got the different Snoop Dogg playing on the music and stuff, so the different copyrights and stuff. But right here, you got the whole entire ad where LeBron's talking to himself, talking about what the future, he's got to take his own shots. People definitely like this ad, crypto.com. And don't forget, the fortune follows the brave. Weekly market update. Again, Warren Buffett invests $1 billion in a Bitcoin-friendly new bank. Says right here, win tickets to the LA live show of your choice giveaway. So you can do that right there in crypto.com too. Over here at the app, again, fortune follows the brave. The world's fastest growing crypto app. Join 10 million users buying and selling 250 cryptocurrencies at true cost. Send with crypto.com Visa card and get up to 8% back right there. Grow your portfolio and receive up to 14.5% on crypto assets. So if you're looking to invest, this could be where you want to be. Their app is fantastic. They talk about buying crypto at true cost. Buy and sell 250 cryptos, 20 fiat currencies. Here is definitely one of our favorites. The only card you will need. Enjoy up to 8% back on all spending with this sleek, pure metal card. No annual fees. Top off your fiat or your crypto. Choose a card. When you click it, it says the only crypto card you will need. No annual fees. And then there you go. Here's all the different cards, and you pick the color and which one you want. Deposit crypto, earn your rewards, choose up to 40 cryptocurrencies and stable coins. Here's the big things right here, everybody. Earn up to 14.5% on your crypto. Earn up to 14% on your stable coins. DeFi made simple. DeFi wallets, your keys, your crypto. Earn DeFi, no lockup period, stable returns. DeFi swaps, swap DeFi coins, and earn triple yield. That's right, everybody, triple yield. Cryptocurrency in every wallet. Well, that's what I'm talking about. Crypto.com. They got so much going on. I mean, again, Coinbase, they got all kinds of things going on with Coinbase because of the crypto apps, because of the Super Bowl. Crypto.com did good also as well. All right, what about the Denver Broncos getting bought out by a crypto group? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. All right, here it is. Cryptocurrency group emerges as a contender to buy the Denver Broncos. What is this all about? The Denver Broncos have been up for sale, and now for a while another group has emerged to help to buy the team. The crypto group, led by businessman Sean O'Brien, started with the group of Buy the Broncos. The group will consist of crypto enthusiasts. Now listen who's in the lineup, including attorneys, accountants, software developers, pro athletes that want to own the Denver Broncos. This would be like a mirror of the Green Bay Packer ownership situation, where the regular fans and the public ownership of the team as everyday people would have a piece of the Denver Broncos. O'Brien thinks it's an awesome idea to buy the Broncos. He said this about the idea on CNBC. But O'Brien is saying may be true, but the primary majority owners of the team will likely be rich business people, not the average Joe with a 9-to-5. Yeah, but that's fine. Everybody can have a piece of the team. There would be a minor stockholder. The Bolin family would currently own the Broncos, but the team is up for sale as of February 1st. Bolin, who owned the team, died back in 2019. Now listen to this. Peyton Manning, you've heard of him before. Besides the Bryan Group, several people are interested in buying the team. The biggest name being so far is the Denver Broncos former quarterback, Peyton Manning. So there's John Elway and Peyton Manning. So you never know. Peyton Manning can actually be buying the Denver Broncos. But for us cryptocurrency channels, isn't that some awesome news there? Cryptocurrency group emerges as contenders for Denver Broncos, possibly getting bought by a cryptocurrency group. All right, another good thing in the news there. Can you believe that? I mean, possibly the Denver Broncos are going to get bought by a cryptocurrency group. Okay. So, all right, passive income. We've been talking about that. Let's head back over to crypto.com and do a little price prediction. All right, let's play this advertisement first.
History is filled with almosts. With those who almost adventured, who almost achieved, but ultimately, for them it proved to be too much. Then there are others, the ones who embrace the moment and commit. And in these moments of truth, these men and women, these mere mortals, just like you and me, as they peer over the edge, they calm their minds and steel their nerves with 4 simple words that have been whispered by the intrepid since the time of the Romans. Fortune favors the brave.
There's that ad from crypto.com. All right, so back over here at crypto.com, what's our price prediction? If you remember a few months ago, about 3 months ago, take a look at this. This token was up to 70 cents, 84 cents. It was actually up 90 cents. It's at 37 cents right now. What's our price prediction? I think the token can get to 42 to 44 cents. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. Everything seems to be down right this second. So if you've been in crypto for any amount of time, if it's down, what do you think it's going to do in a couple days? That's right, it's going to bounce back up. So this could be that good discount buy you've been looking for. 37 cents right this second, 22% down. Taking a look at a lot of things. Polygon's 22% down. Shiba Inu's 23% down. Avalanche is 19% down. Dogecoin is 15% down. Solana's down 19%. Cardano's down 23%. XRP is down 23%. Here is that 16 and 16 for Ethereum and Bitcoin. Is this the crypto winner we've been talking about? I don't know. All right, don't forget to hit the like button. So the Denver Broncos may get bought by cryptocurrency group, crypto.com. I mean, when you're sitting in the Lakers, watching the Lakers play in crypto.com arena, people are going to be downloading the app. I really like crypto.com. I really like CRO. I think it's going to, I mean, again, they signed a 20-year naming rights at the crypto.com arena. They're not going 20 years. They're not going anywhere. So I think this coin has a lot of potential. LeBron's backing it with TV commercials and stuff. There's a lot of good things going on. And fortune follows the brave. Don't forget that. All right, click right here to see our most recent video. And click over here if you want to learn about how to make 365% on your money, 1% a day with the Drip Network. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you a little bit later on. Have a great day.